So we are checking some models that I'm posting for sale. Check my eBay store. Also found this one. I remember a long time ago we made a custom. Just screening few of them. This one works. This one is some screening. Trackmaster Revolutions. So here is what I'm going to do. I will no longer fix and repair my models. I just finished rewiring that one, and token action. Wasn't this working? Did I have it the wrong way? No, it was working. It's working now. So yeah, it takes too much time. I need to move on. I'm not saying that I will no longer continue with these things, but since I want to continue and do something different, I always say that I have a storage full of Thomas that they might need to be fixed and repaired. You know, it will take so many days and probably 2 years or so. I need to do something else. So now we have this model. This one talks Japanese. I think I sold one of these a long time ago. I had to change the code on this axle, rewiring. See those wires? New wiring. It is working. It's already live on my eBay store. Link in the description. This one I rewired this morning. Well, if you're watching the video, it's next day, obviously. I made it like a 4.5 volts, so we just rewired it. I have the remotes, but I mean, it's gonna take me a long time to fix those remotes. I mean, I could make some good videos. So we no longer need the remote for this one. I mean, it doesn't run too fast, but it runs. It is working. So we have this one ready, and I also we added some batteries to this. Solar Museum. Is that a Tyrannosaur? What is it? Tyrannosaurus. I mean, it works. This one has fresh batteries. We install fresh batteries on that one. It requires like a little button cell batteries. I have another Emily. Candle is working. Yep, works good. Yeah, I need to put this on eBay. The only thing I posted recently was, I think, this one, just this morning, and I need to check. Oh man, yeah, it's taking me too long. I can't do anything actually. It is all these things. This one is for parts. Does not work. I mean, I wish to fix them, but
Ahoy, matey! I'm Tomy!
See, the coupler is broken. Makes a little noise. I already made some videos on how to fix and repair this. I think I no longer need to do that. I mean, to post the video, upload it. But I need to get rid of. I mean, I have a whole garage. I wish that area will be good for me for you know, for a studio, this one is completely dead. There is some rusting here. Yeah, so here's what you can do. I mean, if someone buys one of these, you can use the wheels, axle. Actually, everything is. The only thing it needs is maybe the. Oh, it made sound. It looks like it worked. See that? Something is trying. It's trying to work a little bit. Something is going on. Okay. Something is going on with this circuit board. Can. Huh.
Hello.
What's going on? It is.
Hello, I'm Percy.
Mira si funciona.
¿Está bueno?
¿Está funcionando ahora? Okay, now it is. It seems that it's working.
I'm Percy. I'm the number 6 green engine.
See, I need to. I don't know. Now it's not working. That means there is some. Yeah, I see. There is a little rust. It's not battery corrosion, it's rust. There's oxidation in there.
Hello, I'm Percy.
But it's working. It's trying. It was. It moved for a little bit.
Hello, I'm Percy.
Yeah, I am not going to
I'm
fix
Percy. I'm the number 6 green engine.
these things. Yeah, I mean, it's taking too long. I wish. No. Now, Victor does not have the battery terminal. I mean, the switch. I have this. Victor, it works. Makes a little loud noise. Good thing is the coupling is really good, actually. I could use it and swap it, but there's no switch on this model right over here. Yeah, so I wish, I don't know what to do, you know. Put them in bulk or just. Mira, Paula. Aquí para que le tome foto de una vez. Or just post it as it goes. Maybe, I don't know. But I need to do something. I need to get rid of everything. I have too much.